It is the emptiness of the house that we can live inside it. And it is the emptiness of the mind that makes it possible for something to arise and to disappear from that space.
When Shi Heng speaks about emptiness, he is not referring to something negative or a void that lacks meaning. Instead, he points to a powerful state of awareness that is often misunderstood. Emptiness, in his teaching, is not about having nothing. It is about being free from unnecessary attachments, labels, and rigid identity.
We don't ask, why does the thought come up? The very, very interesting question is, from where is it coming from? And where does it go? This is coming from the way of how, for example, my Zen master is like sharing with me. He tells me, don't focus on the question. Don't focus on the thought, because if you focus on thought, if you focus on the question, you're going to have 8 billion questions and 8 billion thoughts to handle if you want to give an answer to humanity. Stop focusing on thought. Ask yourself just a question. From where is it coming from and where is it going?
He explains that most people live their lives constantly filled with thoughts, emotions, expectations, and judgments. The mind is always occupied, always reacting. Because of this constant noise, we rarely experience reality as it truly is. Emptiness, then, becomes a way of clearing that filter.
So the foundation for everything that we witness, everything that we experience, everything that we can see, everything that we can smell, that we can hear, that we can taste, that we can sense, is only possible because the foundation of all of these things apparently is emptiness. The empty nature of things.
When you let go of the need to control everything, when you stop clinging to how things should be, you begin to experience life more directly. It is like a glass that is already full no matter what you pour into it. Nothing new can enter. Only when it is empty can it receive something fresh.
Open your palms. Open your palms. Okay, watch your hands. Small finger, ring finger, middle finger, index and thumb. One time turn around. Thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger and small finger. Yeah. Make clear for yourself, you have 10 of them. Feel your fingers and then slowly start and clench the fist. Close the fist. Now watch. The thumb is here, touching the inside of the other fingers. It's not here on top. It's not in between. It's on the side of the other fingers. Now the exercise is very easy because start clenching the fists and we are going from here. Hold the tension, clench it as hard as you can for 2 minutes and 3, 2, 1 and go.
This movement will release built-up tension and improve blood circulation, helping your entire body feel lighter.
Yeah, concentrate, clench the fists, all 10 fingers, 5 on the right, 5 on the left. Keep the fist closed. With your mind, concentrate on your fist. Concentrate on all 5 fingers. Observe your arm. Now, observe your fist and feel if there is any weakness, if any of your fingers is starting to become weak. As soon as you realize it's about to become weak, you squeeze new. Try and concentrate 2 minutes long. Stay with the fists closed. Close the fist and keep clenching them. Concentrate with the mind. Observe at the same time all your fingers. And fill all the fist up at all times. Yeah, continue. We still have 1 more minute to go.
This reduces stress, anger, and anxiety instantly.
Stay focused, stay concentrated, and clench the fists. At the same time also shoulders, arms, biceps, triceps, forearm, all of this, try to stay relaxed. Only the fists are tense. Yeah, keep going, 20 more seconds. Keep going. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release the tension and open. Thumb very, very slowly. Index finger, middle finger, ring finger, small finger. Open one time the palms, stretch them. Okay, now just a very, very short break. So take 2 deep breaths. Inhale. Exhale. And one more time. Inhale.
This exercise will help to release emotional stress through subtle energy control.
And now starting the second round. Open the palms, small finger, ring finger, middle finger, index finger, thumb. Again on the side. And 3, 2, 1, and go. Start squeezing again. And we go another 2 minutes. Yeah, stay focused, stay concentrated. Only the fist.
This will activate energy channels in your fingers and improve flexibility in your joints.
The rest of the body, try to stay relaxed. So don't tense up, anything else is just the fist. Keep holding, even if it's starting to become very exhausting. Stay focused, concentrate, and stay with the willpower. Don't let any weakness enter into the bones, enter into your fist. Observe yourself, go inside each finger and feel. If there is space for improvement, then improve. Squeeze more. Yeah, 50 more seconds to go. Keep going, squeeze, concentrate. Keep going, squeeze harder, as hard as you can. "30 seconds. Keep going, concentrate. Concentrate on the fist. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and slowly release the tension. Open the thumb, open the index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and small finger. One time open.
This will lubricate your joints and remove stiffness from the wrists.
2 times take a deep breath. Inhale. And exhale. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. And last round for this first exercise. Close small finger, ring finger, middle finger, index finger at the end. Close the thumb on both hands. And 3, 2, 1, and start squeezing. 2 more minutes. Keep going. Relax the forearm. Biceps, triceps, relax. Shoulders, don't tense up. Only the fist. Keep squeezing. And 1.5 more minutes. Concentrate.
This will strengthen your hands and create awareness of balanced energy between both sides of the body.
Go into the bones. Go into each single finger. And feel if there is any space to squeeze more. This is the 3rd round. It's a little bit more exhausting, but keep going. Just 60 more seconds to go. $50. Concentrate, focus, stay inside the fist, keep squeezing. Your breath, keep it calm and steadily. Breathe deep. And 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and slowly release the tension from the fists and open thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, small finger. One time stretch your palm open and then just rest them left and right.
It will increase joint flexibility and reduce stiffness, especially if you use your hands a lot.
And take 2 more breaths. And one more time. Okay.